I wanted to show you guys the progress that we were making on the house. Don't be alarmed, it is pretty messy, but I think it kind of has to happen that way before, like, what am I trying to say? It's got to get messy before it gets clean. So let me show you all the things that we have been doing and getting accomplished. We're getting there. First, Emerson, can you say hello? Hello. What are you doing?
I'm playing with Play-Doh.
You're playing with Play-Doh? You're doing good. Okay, so these are all of the boxes. These are only half packed, but these are all the boxes over there that are completely packed. Some are from our bedroom, some are from our bathroom, some, probably the majority of them, are actually from the kitchen. Yeah, this is kitchen stuff. So this is kind of like where we're bringing the boxes that are finished out here. Emerson's toys have been packed up. But let me show you all of these empty cabinets. They're all empty, which is such a good feeling. I mean, seriously. Drawers are empty. It's crazy. You want Mimi? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is Emerson's room. And things are getting packed up out of the closet. All of her toys have been packed up. All of her kitchen stuff. Nice. But let me show you the closet. What a difference. All the stuff is gone. And then, so for the kids' clothes, because they were a lot smaller than our clothes, we just went ahead and put grocery bags over the tops of them, poked holes in the top, and then pulled the hanger hooks through. And then we're probably going to just grab these and put them in like a trash bag or a box. We haven't really decided yet. But that just makes it easy, because when you get to the new place, you just take them out of the box, take the trash bags off, and then you can hang them right up in the closet. Super, super easy. Hey guys, it is, I don't even know what the date is, but today's Friday. And we are supposed to be leaving tomorrow for Virginia. So apparently when it rains, it pours, because we are trying to get all of our house packed. And I really wanted to have everything like ready and just be ready. But like everything is kind of falling apart. Andrew is currently at urgent care. He's so sick, and when we were packing up the house, that was kind of like me and my mom's like thing, and he just kind of sat back and helped with the kids or went and got dinner and stuff like that. That was more our thing. And then packing up the truck and moving like the heavy boxes and stuff, that's his thing. Well, come moving day when we need him, he is so sick, and I said, you know, you need to go to urgent care, because he's the type that will just push through it and act like everything's fine even though he's so sick. And I could just see him overdoing it, and I don't know, it not being good. So I asked him to go to urgent care. That's where he is now. And then I have a doctor appointment for Oakley at 12:15 today, because he has just a whole bunch of stuff going on. He is on reflux medicine, and I think he's outgrown his dose, so I need to go get that adjusted before our big move. Emerson, she just came in from playing with bubbles outside. So I need to get his reflux meds adjusted, and then he's also just been like throwing up, and it's not spit up, because he's never really actually been one to spit up, but this is like, you can see it coming, and then all of a sudden it is everywhere, and it's not just like a little bit comes out, like full on everything in his stomach comes out. And he's done that for the last couple days, and he's like gagging, and I'm hoping it's all related to the reflux, but I just want to get it checked out because I don't know. And then also, I think he is sick as well. He's very like stuffy, congested, can't really breathe, which is awful to watch in a new-ish born, well, he's 3 months now. It's just really sad to watch. So for all of those reasons, we're gonna go to the pediatrician, get him checked out. Oh, and then the snowstorms that we're trying to avoid, we're looking at like 2 to 3 nights in a hotel now, which is not ideal with little kids. I don't really like staying in hotels anyways. So it's just a lot. There's a lot on my mind, and I'm just really anxious to get there. Start unpacking, and like get settled. I know we're gonna get through it. I know it's all gonna work out. It's just in the moment, it's a lot to process and a lot to just take on. Yesterday I went through the pantry and got rid of a lot of stuff, but also just packed away a lot of stuff. I tried to keep the heavier stuff to the smaller boxes just to make moving easier. I also went through our fridge and went ahead and threw away a lot of the stuff, which broke my heart, but has to be done. Can't take the refrigerated stuff with us. Also, the freezer is pretty much empty now. It's getting real, guys. I don't remember if I told you this or not, but Andrew is supposed to get the moving truck today. I think he can get it at 11, so we'll have it obviously from today on. But we're not technically moving everything in until tomorrow, because that's when we have the movers coming. We just needed to hire some like big strong guys to help Andrew move like the big heavy furniture, because me and my mom can't do it and Andrew can't do it by himself. So we hired some guys for a couple hours tomorrow to just help with the heavy stuff. So today I think we're gonna go to Costco. We're gonna pick up the couch. We're getting a new couch, but we're gonna obviously get it in boxes, pack those in the car first, and then we're gonna start moving some of the lighter boxes today. That way, when the movers come tomorrow, we can just have them for a couple hours and knock stuff out. What are you doing?
Put the soup.
Whoa, you putting the soap in there?
Yes.
Are you entertained?
What?
You're so cute. Desperate times call for desperate measures, and we will do anything to keep this kid entertained. I will give my mom credit for coming up with the idea. Who knew a sink full of water and an empty soap bottle would be so fun, huh?
I do it.
Look, there's Dad. There's sick Dad. In the apartment all by myself. The kids are at a hotel with my mom, and Andrew is driving something over to his parents' house. So I am here in the apartment by myself. I'm cleaning. All of our stuff is loaded up into the moving truck, and this is it. This is really it. We're gonna be out of here tomorrow for good. We're gonna be starting our grand adventure to Virginia, and it's bittersweet. It really is. Now that everything is like getting wrapped up and like this is actually goodbye, it is bittersweet. We are so excited to be moving, and we know that this is just the next step to getting to where we want to be. And so that's exciting, but we have memories here that we are leaving behind. Like, this year has been huge for us. I spent my entire pregnancy here. We were driving up and he was just like, "Are you gonna miss this place?" And I was like, yeah. Like, I walked these trails in the parking lot my entire pregnancy with Oakley. Then I had Oakley, and we came home to this apartment. Emerson was a little baby not a little baby, but she was a lot littler a year ago when we first moved here. So there's a lot of memories that we are leaving behind, so it's kind of bittersweet. But it's exciting. We are very excited to get going. We still obviously have some stuff that we need to still load in the car, but this is it, guys. So empty. Everything is gone. I filmed so many cleaning videos here in this kitchen. I mean, seriously, I'm gonna cry just. I didn't know that I was gonna be emotional about this. Why am I emotional about this? Like, this is the end of, I don't know, end of a season for us, and whew, I did not expect to get emotional about that, but when you go through and you reminisce about the memories that you have made in a place and then you're gonna leave it, it's kind of bittersweet. It's the best word that I can use or think of to describe it. But back to what I was saying, I filmed so many cleaning videos here in this apartment. Some good cooking clean with me's. At the sink I did the dishes. Wow. And then this is Emerson's room. Gosh, this is gonna get me even more. Oh man. This is where little Emmy slept every night. And then over here we rocked her in her rocking chair. She played with all her toys in here. This is where she would trash her closet and take out all her toys and dump them all over the floor and read her books, and her little clothes hung up there. This is where her dresser was. Gosh. And this is where Emerson took a bath every night and ate a popsicle, and I could hear her screaming, and oh gosh, she would have a blast in here. And then Andrew would sit here on the toilet while she was in the bathtub, and he would talk to her and play with her. And then this is our bedroom. I would sit here in bed and I would edit a lot of my videos while I watched TV up on that wall. And then this is less exciting, but this is our bathroom. I took many a good bath in here. I would have some of my meetings, my Zoom call meetings with some of my teammates in this closet because we had kids in every room. This is where all my clothes hung. Yeah, this is less exciting than the kids stuff, but seriously, it's so bittersweet. I did not expect to get emotional going through all that stuff, but it definitely is bittersweet to leave any place that you've lived, especially when you've had kids. When you brought your kids home to any one place, there's just memories here, and it's sad anytime to leave it. But like I said, we are so excited to get going, to be starting our new adventure. I'm really excited to see what happens and see what life brings, and of course we're going to be bringing you guys along with it. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Tomorrow we're going to get up and we're going to start our drive to Virginia. It is supposed to have snowed, so that's going to be interesting. But yeah, thank you guys for being with us in this apartment for so many videos, and yeah, thank you guys. So say goodbye to it. We're gonna say goodbye to it. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. We have so much fun stuff to share with you, a new house tour, all kinds of really fun stuff. So you don't want to miss those videos. So make sure you're subscribed with your notifications turned on, and then follow us at Instagram at allie_gooch to keep up with us there on a more day-to-day basis. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye.